Hello everyone, today we're gonna see how to install MySQL. Firstly, open your web browser and go to the official MySQL website, then click the download button. Scroll down and look for MySQL Community Edition, then click No Thanks, just start my download to proceed with downloading. After downloading the MySQL installer, navigate to your downloads folder, then double-click the installer file to run it. The MySQL installer will open. Select the setup type as developer, server only, client only or full, or custom, then click next. The installer may prompt you to install additional softwares like Visual C++. Click execute to start downloading the required components and wait for all items to show a checkmark before moving forward. Click next when done, then click execute to install MySQL on your Windows system. Once the installation is complete, click Next, then go through the following configuration pages: product configuration, type in networking, then authentication method, then click Next to proceed. Select a strong password, then click Next and enter your root password. Click Check. If you see connection succeeded, MySQL has successfully connected to the server. Click Finish to complete the installation and MySQL is now installed on your Windows system. And that's it guys. Thank you for watching and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.